फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Well, hello and very warm welcome to all our viewers. You're watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel, and we are here to discuss the 63rd match of IPL 2024. Well, the sad part is that there was no match at all. For the first time this season, a match was abandoned due to rain. Toss भी नहीं हुआ, मैच हो रहा था अहमदाबाद में और टॉस भी नहीं हुआ, इतनी बारिश थी. They kept on delaying, they kept on waiting so as to कभी हल्का सा भी चांस दिखे, but it got too late and the officials had to abandon the match. The match was between KKR and Gujarat Titans. KKR at the top of the table, Gujarat Titans at the bottom of the table. It is nowhere close these two teams are, but then again, there were a little things to achieve for both the teams. KKR के लिए जो था अचीव करने को वो उन्होंने बिना मैच खेले भी अचीव कर लिया, वेयर एज गुजरात के लिए ये बारिश थोड़ी भारी पड़ी है. एंड द थिंग इज दैट KKR, had they won the match, they would have ensured their place in the top two of IPL 2024. Well, even after the match was abandoned, they are still the contenders for the top two because they are officially in the top two of IPL 2024 for the league stages. अब वो top two से नीचे नहीं आ सकते. And you can see the points table on your screen. KKR right at the top, 13 matches, 19 points और नंबर इसलिए क्योंकि जब बारिश होती है तो जो दोनों टीमें इन्वॉल्व होती हैं उनको एक एक पॉइंट मिल जाता है. तो with this KKR has ensured that they'll remain in the top two of the IPL 2024, whereas Gujarat Titans on the other hand, they have been ruled out of IPL 2024. एक विक्ट्री बहुत ज़रूरी थी उनके लिए टू समहाउ रिमेन इन कंटेंशन. हालांकि उनका क्वालिफिकेशन चांस वाज वेरी 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 डिफिकल्ट इवन इफ दे वुड हैव वॉन दिस मैच, बट स्टिल they would have stayed alive for few more days, few more matches, and somehow would have hoped कि शायद कुछ हो जाए. But then again, GT 13 matches, just 5 wins, 11 points. They are now well and truly officially rather eliminated from IPL 2024. This has not been a good season for Gujarat. As I said, 13 matches, 5 wins, 7 losses, net run rate in negative. And this was their third season. First season they won the trophy. Second season they were the runner-ups. वो एक बॉल जो रविंद्र जडेजा ने चौका मार के ट्रॉफी गुजरात से ले ली थी, वो. And then now this is the third season where they have not even qualified for the playoffs. So this has been a downhill for them this season, IPL 2024, and they'll be hoping to regroup. Obviously, there's a mega auction. They will regroup. They will retain their core and then come back stronger and repeat what they did in their first two seasons. But for now, a very, very, very good news for the Kolkata Knight Rider fans that KKR have ensured top two positions for themselves in the league stage. And the last two times, इससे पहले KKR सिर्फ दो बारी टॉप टू में आई है लीग स्टेज में, और उन दोनों बारियों में KKR ने IPL ट्रॉफी जीती थी. So this really tells a lot. 2012 and 2014 were the years when KKR ended in the top two of the league stages and they ended up winning the IPL. And this time around, for the third time, they have ended up in the first two of IPL league stages. अब वो ट्रॉफी जीतेंगे कि नहीं, this is something we'll have to wait and see. But for now, the official news is that the match has been abandoned, and the two major takeaways: KKR has ensured their top two positions for this IPL in the league stage, and then Gujarat Titans has been officially eliminated from IPL 2024. Well, थोड़े ही मैच पड़े हैं IPL के, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग मैचेस हैं. There is a fight for the third and the fourth spot, especially for the fourth spot between the CSK, RCB. There's SRH, LSG in the mix. LSG plays Delhi tomorrow at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi, and there we'll have to wait and see what happens. LSG has to lose a match in order to RCB को वो होप देने के लिए, आरसीबी को, कि एलएसजी अगर एक भी मैच अपना हारती है तो आरसीबी के लिए होप काफी बढ़ जाएगी. बट वील हैव टू वेट एंड सी. आज गुजरात टाइटंस के लिए नॉट अ गुड डे, नॉट अ गुड सीजन. दे हैव अ लॉट टू थिंक अबाउट, whereas KKR will be celebrating. So you guys, please do subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, follow us across all our social media platforms. Any questions you have the comment section down there. any scenario, qualification scenario you want to ask, any team combination you want to ask, or if you have any opinion regarding a team, regarding a match, or anything and everything related to world cricket, please feel free to put that in the comment section down below. Until then, as I said, please subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, and enjoy the IPL. Thank you.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।